Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can publish projects in your plain project management workspace. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is in the first step here in the plain project management application is select your workspace in the top left. And after that, guys, you will see these projects listed under projects here. So simply click into these three dots here next to the given project you would like to publish and select publish project, and after that you will see that overview here. So here you can, for example, set the permissions to allow comments, reactions, voting, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that button here, publish, and after that you will be given the opportunity to, for example, invite externals to your project through that share building here, or to view it, for example. And as you can see, my project is now live on the web through that address here, so you can access your project through that link. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.